Hello students, hope you all are fine at home. So today in this video lecture number 10, I will be discussing 6th chapter of class 6 science, that is changes around us. Coming to first slide, here you can see three different pictures which is showing you different kind of changes which you observe around yourself daily. Here you can see seeds germinating into seedling, paper which has been folded and paper plane has been made, and flowing of belly. So these are some of the changes which you can observe daily around you. First of all, before going further, we will understand the meaning of change. Change is defined as anything that has altered its color, shape, size, or position from its original state. Anything which has changed its original color, shape, size, or position as change. For example, first one, change in shape. Here two pictures you can see. In one picture, this first picture you can see a bottle, rather a can of cold drink which has been, when pressure is applied, its shape changes. It is also a change. And second one, you can see a child playing with clay. When when pressure is applied on the clay, also different shapes are made. So it is also a change. Change in shape. Next is change in position. Here you can see two pictures. In one picture you can find that parrot is sitting, and in another picture you can see that parrot is flying. So it has changed its position. Next, change in color. You would have seen fruits, ripe and unripe fruits. When it is unripe, it is green in color, and when ripe, you can see it is yellow in color. So in this way, you can find that fruits, when it gets ripe, then its color changes. Form of change. Next, change in size. Changes here, two pictures are shown in this also. One, a balloon when it is not blown, and second when it is blown. Here you can see the size changes. Next one, candle. When a candle when it starts to burn, it is, you can see the size here, and when once after some time you can see the size. So this is change in size, two different sizes of the candle. Next, change in state. Ice changing into water and water changing into water vapor. This is also the change in state. Coming to next, there are two types of changes, reversible and irreversible. First one is reversible and irreversible. Reversible change, those changes in which the original substance can be obtained back by reversing the action. What we have done by reversing that action, can get back our original substance. First, melting of ice. Ice we have melted, we obtain water. Now again, if you want to get ice, we will freeze it, and we will get. Next is stretching of spring. When we stretch the spring, its shape changes, and when we want to get back that original spring, we just leave it, it will get back to its original shape. Next is knitting of sweater. Sweater is knitted with the help of wool. Now, when we want to get back the wool from this sweater, what we will do? We will open it, and we will find that we have got back the wool. So these all are reversible changes. Next is irreversible changes. The changes which cannot be reversed by changing the physical condition are called irreversible changes. Most of the chemical reactions are irreversible, where a complete new substance is formed and it is not possible to get back the original substance. Whatever thing you do, you are not going to get back the original. So they are known as irreversible changes. Their examples are there. First one, burning of paper. When you burn paper, after some time that paper turns into ashes. We cannot get back that paper from the ashes. Next, you can see roti is prepared from the dough. When once the roti has been prepared from the dough, we cannot get back that. Okay, so this is irreversible changes. Many more irreversible changes are there. such as when you prepare curd from milk. Again, we cannot get back that milk from the curd. In this way, many other examples are also there. This was about reversible and irreversible. This is the activity, reversible and irreversible change. See it, observe it, and write down the answers in your copy, which we can discuss in our next part of the video. So this was your end of first part. Thank you, students. Soon I will be uploading the second part of the lecture.